your toilet is overflowing, there's a shut-off valve right behind it. And basically you just grab this and turn it clockwise like this until it stops, and that turns off the toilet. And that'll keep any water from overflowing out of the toilet or the tank. That's your turn off.
Your breaker box is located in your bathroom, garage, or laundry room. When you move in, you'll want to check each breaker to see which room it works in and label it with a Sharpie. And you'll see where you can turn it off and on. This is how you test your carbon monoxide detector. You'll want to test it at least twice a year, usually when the time changes. You'll also want to test your smoke detectors and change the batteries in both the detectors as needed. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Take care.